Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb, and we're inside of a GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. Now, this is for the running boards, how to use the running boards on a heavy-duty pickup truck. So let's go ahead and hop right in. So you have a few different options. One being they can stick out like this, they can stay in like that, or they can open and close whenever you open and close these doors. So there's three different ways I'm going to show you how to use on this beautiful beast. Now, this is a Denali Ultimate, but you can get these running boards on AT4 Ultimate, or X Denali and Denali Ultimate. Sorry, not AT4 Ultimate. That's on the Yukons. Now, what you're going to want to do is come over to this infotainment screen. There's no buttons down below, so no super quick keys. This is more something you're going to want to know what you want and kind of keep it that way. So go into settings, go into vehicle, and then I'm going to close this door real quick. You're going to scroll down and go down to where it says power assist steps. So just right here, you're going to click into there. So this automatic power assist steps, you can turn that on or off. So right now, they're off. They will not open, doesn't matter what you do, unless you press that button. So they are fixed the way they are, whether the door is opened or closed. So if you just don't want those running boards to come out, you don't like them, you can do that. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn that function back on, and I'll show you. I'll open the door here, and they're back open, just like that. Super easy, kind of quick. Now you have move power assist steps. So right now they're stow, and I can force them to deploy. Now hopefully you can hear it there. Hopefully you can hear that. But now, they deploy even when the door is closed. Heck, I even locked it on accident just by moving over. So now what I'm going to do is I can hop out. Obviously, door's open, but does not matter how long the door is closed, they will stay out, at least to my knowledge. I've not done a few days, but I do know that at least a day at a time. I have had some people ask, how long can you keep them out for? To my knowledge, as long as you want, they can stay out. So if you are cleaning your running boards, you're going through mud and you don't want it to splash up on the side, stuff like that, it is perfect. Or you can step on side of the truck and hang on. I recommend that at a safe standard. But that is your options. So pretty easy, pretty simple. And now, obviously they're still open. You can see there. I'm going to click stow, and they stowed right in. Door's not open, door's closed. Now then, I open it, they're back to normal. So those are all your different functions. I know that's a lot of back and forth, but I want to show you exactly what that looks like. I also want to say thank you for taking this time to watch this video with me. I want to say many thanks as well. Let me know if there's anything else you have as far as questions on any of the vehicles that we do have, especially the Sierras. I absolutely love them. But other than that, hope you have a great day. I'll see y'all on the next video.